guys, welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about digital marketing. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Today we're gonna talk about LinkedIn. Now I'll tell you a basic roadmap of how you can grow your connections. Today we are only going to focus on how you can grow your connections. I'll be making more videos on LinkedIn, all about LinkedIn and everything else. So today let's focus just on how to grow your connections. So firstly, I would say that LinkedIn is a totally professional platform. You won't find memes like you find on Instagram or you find on Facebook. So LinkedIn is a totally professional platform. The second point is that you can easily reach out to the high authorities of a company, that is the CEO, CMO or managerial level people that are in a company. And other thing is that you can reach out to them via your content. So if you post like really good content and if your content gets a lot of views and likes, so these people also notice you and they can reach out to you. So that is why LinkedIn is a great platform, and as a digital marketer, it's a must to be on LinkedIn. And also lastly, I would say that as compared to Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn has a lot of organic reach. So if you do not want to spend money on ads and if you're just getting started out, you can reach people, you can reach like a number of people with LinkedIn. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. I'll tell you 4 effective steps that you need to do in order to increase your connections. So the first thing is send out 100 requests every single day. Send out 100 requests every single day means you do not send out requests to random people. You send out connection requests to only those people who are in your niche. So that will ensure that whenever you post something, at least there's a chance that they'll like that post. So if I'm a digital marketer, I'll see that people I connect with are mostly content writers or Facebook marketers or Instagram marketers or basically similar niches within the digital marketing niche. So you too need to see, like if you are in an IT company, then you can connect people with coders, or you can even send requests to hire foundation people that are CEO and CMO people. So that is the first point. Now moving on to the second point on copywriting. Why am I telling you this is because I have gained a lot of clients because of this. If you know how to play with words and how to arrange it appropriately, then this is the ultimate guide which will lead you to higher income clients. So learning copywriting is not a big deal, but practicing it every day is. So you need to practice and improve yourself every single day. So I'll just post some of my high views and likes here on LinkedIn. So you can see that I have mentioned really about my life stories and something that I've learned from my day-to-day life with which people can connect with. So you can just go through these, and you can even go through other people's profile and see what they are posting and how they are getting so much likes and reach. So yeah, so second point is copywriting, which is very important. This hack has given me a lot of connections. So you must be wondering what this hack is, but I'm going to reveal it to you right now. So giving something for free, giving some value for free in a form of PDF, in a form of checklist, is the ultimate thing to get connections. Now suppose if you have a Facebook group and you post on your LinkedIn that you have I've created a Facebook group. If you want to join the group, I'll send you the link, but you need to write send me in the comments below. What this will happen is people will write send me in the comments, and their connections will also see, okay, she has made a group and even I should join that group. So they will start commenting on your post. So with the help of which they'll send you a connection request, through which you can send them a DM of the link of your Facebook group. So this is just an example. You can do it with a PDF as well. You can jot down all your learnings in a PDF, and you can say that okay, I have created this PDF. Now you can come, you can send a comment below if you want the PDF, and then they'll send you a connection request eventually. So this is a really cool trick that I have used to get a great amount of connections, and you should use it too. So the last point is commenting on other people's post. Now I just don't mean randomly commenting just great post, awesome post, nice post, but actually putting a meaningful comment in the post. So if you see, putting a comment will provide value to other people as other people's posts as well, and also your followers will see, okay, she has commented on this post, and other people are going to see as well that you have commented on this post, and they'll connect with you automatically if they liked your comment. So these are the 4 easy and simple ways to grow on LinkedIn. I have personally used these tips, and if you have any questions, you can mention in the comments below, or you can even DM me on Instagram at digitalarva. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please make sure to follow me, because I post more hacks and more stuff there. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon besides it, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have any suggestions for me, or if you want to see any videos, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll definitely make a video on that. Till then, goodbye, good luck.